Hello again and a warm welcome to the Technical SEO course. Before I discuss the technical side of things, I want to take you through what SEO means, how it works, its advantages and more. I understand that some of you might be completely new to SEO and you'll be wondering what exactly does SEO do and why you should be performing SEO for your website. So in this video, I'll just walk you through the basics of SEO so that you understand what it is. So let me turn on the presentation mode, the slide mode. So what is SEO, and let's try to understand what it is. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it is the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results by optimizing your web pages. So as you can see, I've underlined what SEO stands for. It stands for Search Engine Optimization, and I've also underlined organic. Organic means free listing or the free part. You're not running any ads when you do SEO. It's all organic, it's all free. So you are trying to increase the quantity and the quality of traffic to your web pages or your website so that you rank on top of the search engine results. You can break down SEO into two words: search engine and optimization. Now, search engine means it could be Google, it could be Yahoo, it could be Bing, it could be Yandex. Google is not the only search engine which is in the world, but it's by far the most used everywhere, right? So that is search engine. Optimization is how do you optimize your website? What do you do on your website so that your website shows up on top of most of the search engines when somebody puts in a keyword, right? So search engine can be split into search engine and optimization. Very easy to understand. So the overall objective is to make your website reach a higher position in the search result pages of Google and other search engines, right? So as high as possible, particularly in the first page. That is the overall objective. So this will result in more people encountering your website when searching online. So as the more your website stands in the first page or higher in the search engine result pages, the more likely that somebody will click it and they will come to your website. So when you're looking to increase the volume of customers coming to your store or incoming calls or online orders, you need to be visible in search engine result pages, otherwise known as SERPs. So you need to understand, as a SEO specialist, you need to understand these words or these terminologies, SERPs, which is known as search engine result pages. So as I proceed in my course, I will be making you familiar with more of these SEO terminologies. All right. So let's take an example. Here I have put a keyword shoes for men. All right. And as you can see, Namshi.com has shown up in the first free listing or organic listing, followed by Amazon. That does not mean that Namshi is good in everything or it's beating Amazon, because Amazon again is a heavyweight when it comes to online shopping. But for this particular keyword, for certain Google ranking factors, Namshi is showing up on the top, right? So SEO works by demonstrating to search engines that your content is the best result for the topic at hand. So this is the keyword which has been used. This is the topic or the keyword shoes for men, and SEO works by showing to Google that Namshi.com is the best possible result in hand. Maybe because they have used a discount percentage over here. In Amazon, you don't see that discount percentage, or it could be anything else. There are different ranking factors. All right. So when you type something in Google, Google has to make a decision on which websites to show you. All right. So the Google algorithm works by understanding this keyword and quickly interpreting it and crawling its directory to show you the best possible result at hand. It looks at hundreds of indicators that are called ranking factors. Now this is again another important terminology that you need to really know as a SEO specialist. Now those ranking factors can be content, it can be website loading speed, it can be keyword, it can be relevance. There are more than 200 ranking factors in Google, and nobody really knows what Google does in the back end. And nobody really knows all the 200 factors, the ranking factors, right? But we get an indication of what these factors are. Some of this is content, some are website loading speed, some are keyword, relevance, etc. We'll look into this more when we dive deeper. All right. So it looks at hundreds of indicators or ranking factors to really show the best possible website available at that time. So SEO works by making certain changes to your website design and content that make your site more attractive to a search engine. So what do you have to do to make your website more appealing to Google to show it in the first page or on top of the search engine result pages. So that's what you do in SEO. You work by making certain changes to your website so that you comply with the search engine's guidelines, whether it is Google, whether it is Bing, whether it could be any other search engine. Alright, Google is not the only search engine, like I said, but by far it's the most used with a market share of 92%. Right? So what are the advantages of SEO? Why you should be doing it? Right? Traffic from SEO is free. So I just did a quick Google search and the traffic is free. You are not running any paid ads like Google ads or Facebook ads or whatever. Traffic from SEO is consistent and credible. Billions of searches are performed every single month. Right? If I were to buy something, or if I want to even go to a nearby store or something, I would really go to Google and type this keyword like laundry shops near me or pet shops near me, whatever it is, right? So there is an intent involved in SEO, in Google search. When somebody puts in a keyword, there is some intent involved. They are really looking for something. That is why they have put those keywords. So you will get consistent and credible traffic, which is intent based, right? SEO reaches a wide range of audience. Again, billions of users worldwide, and a lot of them, search on Google especially or other search engine. SEO increases organic discovery of your business. Organic means free, right? This is again an SEO term. It increases organic discovery or free discovery of your business. Even if you don't have money to pay for ads, you will still be discovered in Google search engine or any other search engine. It offers impressive ROI because it is intent based. People search for something, and when they see that the website is offering what they are looking for, they will click on your website listing, right? So it offers return on investment, a good return on investment. SEO is a long-term marketing strategy, right? So unlike paid ads or PPC ads, this is a long-term marketing strategy, and you always need to keep adapting to what search engine keeps changing. Right? Sometimes they change their rules. So obviously you have to adapt to that. It helps rank better in local searches, especially if you're a local business. You will be ranked very better, especially when you say local searches, it means searchers are typing like pet shop near me. So that is called a local search. This keyword near me attains high significance. Right? You get quantifiable results. So with SEO, you can track changes in rankings and conversions and website traffic, so you get some quantifiable results. It improves engagement rates. So an optimized website brings in quality traffic. So if you have a site with useful content that matches the searcher's intent, they will likely spend more time browsing, which will ultimately lead to more conversions and increased ROI. All right, so that's it about SEO, or the basics of SEO. In the next video, we'll take a look at what are the different types of SEO, and we'll also see what is crawling, what is meant by indexing, etc. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.